Hi everyone. I wanted to share a short video on file organization. I'm going to highlight with my pointer here so you can see a little bit better. I made a Google shared folder, which you should have access to, and you might want to put it in your bookmark bar up here if you want, but make sure that you know how to get to it quickly. You also can get to it through the Google Classroom, no problem. So let's go inside, and obviously we want to make a folder with our name on it, right? So everybody should do this, make a folder with your name on it. And then inside that folder, let's make some more folders, right? Let's just do this right now. Project 1, project 2, right? You can easily do this. What I would like for you to do in your folder is to be very organized for this class. There's a lot of stuff that you're going to have to organize, so let's just get right to it. So underneath project 1, in project 1, the project sheet actually outlines some things that you need to do. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is make a folder to house all of your photographic images that you're going to have to go take. So if you see, there's 4 things underneath inspiration, and there's 10 things underneath identity. So for me to understand your intention of your photography, you can either just label a photograph what this is, or you can put them in folders without labeling the actual files. I might just quickly have you do the labeling of the files. That might be a little bit easier for you, or you can make the folders, label the folders, and then throw your images in there. So if I just make a folder and call it photo images, then I'll know as your professor that all your images are going to go in here. If I go to my photographs and I might say, okay, I definitely want this one because this is probably going to be my quote, maybe. I'm going to take that and I'm going to download that real quick. And I'm probably going to label it. Let me just go over here. I'm going to label it quote. Whoops. And then I'll just drop it right in. Right. So that's one thing I might do. What else am I going to do here? Oops, let's move me over here. I know that I like lines. So this line, that's a vertical line that I want to grab. And I also am interested in, let's see here, circles. So I'm going to choose that one. I'm also interested in pink color. I'm also interested, and I'm doing this kind of haphazardly. You might do it in a much more systematic way, going through, again, the project sheet. This is more intimate space, close-up space. This is more far away space, right? So you're going to choose some of these photographs that will correlate to your photographic choices. And in photos, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to export them real quickly. I'm going to throw them right onto the desktop, and off they go. Actually, I can put them right in a folder here so I can be even more organized, and I'll just throw them right in there, and then they'll export. So what I was trying to get you to think about is, once this is done, here they are. Now they come with numbers. How am I going to know what you mean, right? So you could easily just change this to line. And I said this was space. And this one also, whoops, is space 2. This one would be color for me. This is going to be shape for me. Shape, probably 1. And you can be really anal about it and do space 1, space 2, because you have to get, all right, different ones. So I'm going to go back to my folder, and I'm going to go ahead and take all of these and upload them in. And there we go. So that's the first thing I need you to do is, again, make a project 1 folder, make a folder with, call it photo images. And inside this folder, you're going to want to put all of your, I think there's going to be 28, 8 about inspiration and 20, identity. So make sure you're organized like that so that when I grade, I can quickly look and understand you've accomplished it.